Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my voice is gone and I hope that you guys can hear me. But thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be making one of these octagon shape shelves. So I've made a couple already, but I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, and I'm going to be using something else for this. So I plan on using this tower game that I got from the Dollar Tree. These are the blocks from there. I'm going to be using that. These craft sticks, these are the bigger ones. I have no idea what's wrong with my throat. These are the bigger ones. You see, like the ones they have at the hospital, at the doctor's office. This is what they use sometimes. You're gonna need glue sticks. I plan on using this. I'm not sure yet, but I plan on using some form of gems. And these beautiful, beautiful glass pieces and mirror pieces actually, and your glue. And that's about it. I will be spraying these in gold or black, so you will be using a spray paint of your choice. So to start, I already had my glue gun. Ooh, it's been bedazzled by my daughters. But, so cute. But anyway, I already have this getting a little bit hot, so I'll be using it. Making this shape and through here. Just a little drop. Okay. So I think this looks about right. So this is my foundation, and I'm gonna grab some. And you just continue going up like this. I think I'm gonna do a couple of rows, and then I'm gonna add these here just to make the shelf a little bit thicker. So I'm just gonna keep going. You want to do it straight as well, because if it's not straight, it doesn't look really good. So you want to do it straight. I did one which was kind of not really straight, so it came out really bad. So I might have to take this out and do it again. This was the first one that I did. All the others were okay. This one was okay. Just want to get it straight so that you can put stuff to stand in there. I could kind of leave it like this. It really looks pretty like that. But I want to put some stuff in there. So I'm just going to start again. with these. We're gonna start all over. Okay, we're gonna start all over. I'm just gonna put a drop here. This. Like that. A drop right here. I'm just about done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is spray this. And I will be right back. Yeah, just about one package. I'm just gonna finish it up and then I will clean it up and spray it. Really pretty. Yeah, if you want, you can use this as a something to put your stuff in. You just go ahead and add these all the way to the end, so it will be enclosed. You can put stuff in there, like, what do you call it? Fruits in there. So you just go ahead and you just enclose it like this. And it's gonna look like closed up. Just continue on the whole side of it, the whole bottom. But then you would do that when you do your first layer. When you do your first layer, you would add these if you want to have it closed off. But I like it like this, with a little bit of open space where I could just put like a candle or some flowers or a succulent there or something. So I'm thinking of spraying these in gold. I'm not very sure. I'm kind of really all over the place with that. So guys, this is what it looks like. I sprayed it in gold. It looks beautiful. I did spray all the sides here. And let me just show you guys what I used. So I got this at the dollar store. It's called Dollar Store here in Canada. I got it for $3. And I've never seen this brand of paint before. But when I look at the cap, here it says Krylon. So I was super excited to get this. I need to go pick up a couple more because with just like this in the store is like $12. So I got it for $3. I don't know why. But maybe because the label is gone. But I got this and I really like it. And it dries super quick. And this is gold, yay! Very excited. So this is what I use here. I'm just gonna add a couple of these to it. Some gems. So you guys, here is the finished product. So you can add whatever you want here, but this is what I got this from the Dollar Tree. This from Dollar Tree as well. Dollar Tree products. Here you go. I love it, you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'm so sorry about my voice, you guys. I am really hopeful that it comes back really soon because nobody can understand what I'm saying most of the times. But I hope you guys understand this video. And I hope you like it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Go ahead and check out my other videos. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye everybody. Be blessed.